So how you guys doing? This is a quick tone video regarding this is a quick video regarding tones, the Igbo tones. Because in Igbo there's a high tone and there's a low tone. So for example, the word AKWA has 4 meanings depending on the tone you say it. So let me show you what I mean. This right here, see, that's high high. This is cry. This right here, high low, clot. This right here, low high, is egg. This right here, low low, is bed. So I'm going to say all 4 right quick so you guys can hear the difference. Aqua, 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 aqua. You heard the difference? Aqua, 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 aqua. See, that's 4, you can say it right there. 4 ways. 4 different tone mixtures. 4 different words. That's what makes Igbo kind of hard and confusing. And just, that's what I'll say. Practice saying this in Igbo. Cry, cloth, egg, bed. If you can do, because this is like the only word I think that has 4. So you just practice on this, and then your Igbo will pick up. So repeat. Aqua, 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 aqua. See it? Aqua, 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 aqua. Repeat. DAALU. Tachifo. Gemesia.
Aqua, aqua, aqua,